put on the restriction, I block that product. So if we block the product will not be able to sold out to the customer again. If you don't block the product, any wrong product, by mistakenly, or the people in the warehouse, we can by mistakenly resell the same product to the customers. So we have the one strategy here, stock type, block stock in warehouse. Okay, so in my case, I take, in the system we have B5, so ROD I will take here 2. The stock type is B5. Okay, block stock in put away, block stock in put away. The type of the stock in the system is B6 type. Okay, AF02 I take. Okay, so in my configuration in my book I explain like this. So see this point and correlate, you will understand easily these points. Unrestricted use stock in warehouse. Okay, in warehouse. Okay, so and here block stock in warehouse ROD. And here we can see these two correlate, we can correlate these 2 points with each other. Okay, so block stock in put away B6, the type is B6 stock type. Okay, F1 and F2, B5, B6. Now suppose we have the stock at the work center, quality. So I will take, this is for quality testing, quality inspection, stock in warehouse. I will take here Q3, okay, and ROD I will take here 2. So these are the ROD received on dock, ROD 2. This is my custom name. We can change the custom name, or this is the name could be, we can change here, but standard we have the stock type in the system is like B6, Q3, B5. These are the standard which system understand. Sixth point, quality inspection stock in put away. Quality inspection to put away means Q4 AF02. Like this is the indicates like final bin. So AFS final bin. Let's consider bulk storage type, or let's consider hierarchy storage type. I will take name, could we can take any HRST. Okay, hierarchy storage type. So now see, unrestricted use stock in warehouse 9010. So I correlate with this. Okay, unrestricted use stock in the put away. So block stock warehouse. So block stock in the put away. So warehouse put away, warehouse put away, warehouse put away. Okay, like same here. We can correlate. So quality inspection stock in warehouse, quality inspection stock in put away, AFS 02. Okay, in put away, see system what trying to say, stock in put away means, put away means when we perform the put away process to put the product in the final storage bin. In warehouse, not in put away means located at ROD 9010 location. Simple. Stock in warehouse means stock came inside the warehouse at reception area. That's why I mentioned here 9010 F1. Okay, and here ROD received on dock availability group. Okay, or activity type I can say. And if we see this, stock in warehouse means just entered. Stock in put away has been completed. Okay, in put away process means stock has reached to the put away location. What is the put away location is in our this example final bin. Let's go to the next point. So these are the points you need to be remember. Now I will explain you configuration points, some of the configuration points, but the detail, end-to-end, real time, you will find inside my training classes, which is in my books. So we need to do the customization and configuration settings in the system. How we do this? Define physical inventory area and assign physical inventory procedure to PI area, means physical inventory area. Okay, so in this example, I take my physical inventory area is and with the physical inventory area we need to take the just a moment guys before rubbing this. Okay, so now we are going to implement, we are going to do the implementation process. So in the implementation process, what we do actually, so first we need to define the physical inventory area and okay, let's go one by one. Second, assign physically, in the short form, physical inventory procedures. Because first in the beginning I explained you the procedure, then define. So we need to do the linkage here. So then we have to assign physical inventory procedure to physical inventory area. Area means storage type. Then system will come to know F1, F2, B5. These are the stock types, and also these are nothing but for an example, storage type. ROD, which I mentioned there, AFS, which I mentioned there. Okay, these are the storage type. Area means storage types, permanent or temporary, I can say. Permanent means hierarchy storage type or bulk storage type, pallet storage type, open storage type, okay, fast moving zone storage type, slow moving product storage type, more we have, depends upon the business. These are the permanent storage type, or return bin storage type, customer return, vendor return. These are the permanent, where we can place the good for long time. Okay, temporary means for short term. For an example, 9010, 9020, all the work centers. Okay, so these are the temporary storage type. So we need to assign physical inventory procedure to PI area. Stock type permanent, storage type will be permanent or temporary. And I given the physical inventory area name for this configuration, INV, goods receipt zone 0, 1. Okay, and here I use the physically inventory procedure. In this situation, I am going to say to system, this is my physical inventory area and I want to perform this procedure. I need to perform this process with this physical inventory area. Okay, for an example, we have the standard procedures, we have the HL and HS. So we can copy to ZL, we can copy to GS, we can copy HL to YL or YS. It depends upon our requirement or our business requirements. But I will explain you. We have here physical inventory procedure HL and HS. Remember these two. So this is my first point, physical inventory procedure. Third point. In the fourth point, I will define activity, because we need to perform, warehouse workers, they need to perform some kind of activity. So I will use the define activity areas. Activity areas for which purpose? Physical inventory purpose. Okay. So I will take here inventory 92. Okay. Physical inventory activity area IN 92. Then in the fifth point, what I will do, I will define, or before I will assign bins, storage bins of storage type. Okay, storage type could be, for an example, suppose I have this storage type, I will take 0933 for an example. I will do one thing, I will assign bins which located inside this storage type, okay, 0933 to a new activity area, to perform this operation, and our activity area name is IN92. So activity area will be linked to the storage type. System will understand, okay, this is the storage type, we need to perform this activity which comes under the parent activity, nothing but a physical inventory process in the warehouse. So we need to assign. Then in the sixth point, we need to define sorting parameters for activity area. Our activity area is IN92. Then what we do the bin sorting, storage bin sorting. We use a transaction code / and SCWM SBST. Next session, system will open next session, terminate current session, supply chain, warehouse management, storage bins, sort. Okay, the meaning of this transaction code technically. Then in the eighth point, assign physical inventory area to activity area. Assign physical inventory area to activity area. Physical inventory area INVGR01. This is our physical inventory area INV01 to activity area, which is nothing but IN92. So IN92 and this storage type, physical inventory, which is the area of the storage type, will be linked together. When system will trigger this process, system will come to know INV_GR01. Okay, this is the storage type or physical inventory area. Area means location. Storage type, temporary or permanent. Then system will understand, okay, this, or I will take this storage type, bin of the sort type, storage type, okay. Then after I will assign the physical inventory area to this or this storage type. So if you have any confusion, you can comment me. I get the comments, but you can comment me more, you can ask, okay, I will explain, I will clear the doubts. Then what we need to do, okay, ninth point, define tolerance group for posting differences. I will put here high. Then 10th point, define tolerance group tolerance for difference analyzer. If we have the high difference, okay. Then in the 11th point, we need to assign who will perform the physical inventory. User. Assign user to tolerance group for difference analyzer. I will say you analyzer. If you don't understand, I will say you this point. Then 12th point, assign user to tolerance group. Okay, assign user or users to tolerance group for recounting and clearing stock. Okay, 13th point. Specify physical inventory specific setting in the warehouse. Then we have to specify physical inventory specific. These are the prerequisite. Okay, specific physical inventory specific settings in the warehouse. So my friends, I will explain you steps. So